Every innovation you see today begins with something you don't. From smartphones to electric vehicles, from artificial intelligence to space technology, semiconductors power the world. DY Patil International University Pune presents B.Tech in Semiconductor Engineering, a future-focused program designed for tomorrow's innovators.
We at DY Patil International University are committed to creating a future-ready ecosystem that drives excellence in semiconductor education, innovation and research. Our curriculum integrates strong fundamentals with hands-on training in chip design and fabrication.
With advanced laboratories and real-world infrastructure, students gain hands-on experience across the entire semiconductor ecosystem, from design to fabrication.
Choosing this field has been one of the best decisions of my career, from learning how microchips are designed to getting hands-on experience in labs.
Our semiconductor fabrication lab offers hands-on experience with advanced tools and clean room practices, empowering the student to understand chip manufacturing from concept to creation.
Through our MOU with Kane Semiconductor, I secured an internship with them, which has been a truly great achievement for me. The semiconductor program at our university, along with the practical exposure and guidance from our faculty, has truly prepared me for this opportunity.
Through the Chip to Startup program, MIghty, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, our student gains practical hands-on experience with leading EDA tools, which includes Cadence, Siemens and Synopsys at no additional cost.
Supported by industry collaborations and cutting-edge tools, learning here goes beyond theory into real innovation.
At DYPIU, we go beyond education. We engineer the future, one chip, one innovation and one breakthrough at a time.